Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Decide layout and timing before recording to save editing time. Sketch left and right positions and plan camera angles. Choose 16, 9 frame at 1920x 1080 and 30 fps for YouTube. Pick whether to use vertical clips cropped inside the frame. Record with consistent exposure and audio level between sources. Use a clap or verbal cue to mark sync points during recording. Label footage files and note start times for easy alignment later in the editor. Record at consistent exposure and audio levels between sources. Frame subjects with headroom and avoid extreme wide or tight shots. Use a clap or verbal cue to mark sync points during recording. Capture at least 2 seconds of silence for clean audio fades. Import footage into your editor and create proxy files if needed for smooth playback. Trim and color match clips before layout to ensure consistency across the split screen. Place clips side by side in the timeline using 16:9 canvas. Align sync points and use transform controls to scale each clip to half width. Add 3-5 pixel gap or thin divider for visual separation if desired. Check audio channels and set peaks to approximately -6 dB to avoid clipping. Export H. 264 at 1920x 1080, 30 fps, and 8 Mbps bitrate for upload to YouTube. Preview final file and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.